First slide, please. Good morning, everyone. This is Mohit Panchal, and today we are here to present our project of artificial intelligence facial recognition for automatic class attendance. These are client details. Our supervisor name is Miroslav Koteski, and the project overview for this project is like, as we all know, that the traditional method from our like early times is like every time the tutor comes and lecturer comes, he takes manual attendance of no matter how many the strength is. Like it's very time consuming and error prone also. Like anybody can proxy of do other attendance, and this is like wrong method. So we are introducing and implementing a new method for taking online attendance using artificial intelligence, so that it can be not that much time consuming and efficient manner. The client requirements for this project is like the system must achieve a high level of accuracy, recognizing the student attendance, so that it can be like to ensure compliance with privacy regulations. So now I'll ask my fellow colleague Sudeep to continue.
Hello everyone, I'm Sudeep. For the furthermore process, we have gone through the research of 5 different design approaches individually, which are 3D facial recognition. 3D facial recognition gathers depth information as opposed to typical 2D facial recognition system, which rely on flat photos. It is more dependable and robust. And another one is a traditional facial recognition system. The system compares the facial templates of individual in the database to determine a match. And another one is deep learning based approach, which could involve tasks like data cleaning, normalization, and argumentation. And another one is multimodal design approach, which uses fusion technique and matching technique. And the last one is hybrid biometric system. And for further implementation of the project, we are using the deep learning facial recognition method for increasing the reliability and high accuracy, mainly through the running software. For the next part, I would like to invite my friend Suman.
Thank you, Sudeep. So for the rest of the part, we are doing initial implementation. So in initial implementation, we have designed the high-level diagram. So basically, the microcontroller stands in the middle. It also controls Wi-Fi modules through which our like matching data can be sent to the internet cloud to the student AMS database. So in this process, the face is detected through webcam, and the previously like stored database image will and the face that we obtained from the camera, so it will match the threshold value. So if the threshold value matches, then it will automatically send the data to the AMS student database. So for the controlling the microcontroller, we are using the rolling Microsoft software that's which controls the overall program. So we are using 3 programming languages, that are JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So JavaScript for interactive web page design, and and the rest of the part, I'd like to call my friend Aisha.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aisha Rakat. So I'll be talking about the Gantt chart. So as required by the project, we were supposed to be using the Gantt chart to illustrate various different aspects of the project. So here we have in the first slide, we have the time required for the task to be completed. As you can see, this is the extension of the same diagram. And this is the network diagram that we've used to illustrate using the Gantt chart. Similarly, this is the task we've allocated among the members of the group. As you can see, we've divided it accordingly. And this is a time estimation with the Gantt chart, like I mentioned earlier. So for the further limitation and to conclude the slide, I would like to call my friend Mohammed.
Hello guys, so we have a few limitations for the deep learning AI facial recognition. So we have compared the 5 design approaches, and we have selected one of the best approach, that is deep learning facial recognition, because when we have compared the conventional techniques, system based on deep learning and 3D facial recognition, we found that deep learning is one of the best technique for the attendance system. So the traditional technique can be a fewer database, while deep learning models can require large amount of labeled data for training. By unifying different biometric functions, multimodal biometric can be improved security. So yes, so for our project, we are using deep learning facial recognition and hope this will work. So this was our presentation. Hopefully we will implement this in our next project. Thank you.